Class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Richa Pare from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of moral science for the students of class 7th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we started unit number 12, that is, let us forgive. We saw the importance of forgiveness in one's life. The people, those who forgive, are considered as the children of God. Many a times it may happen that many people may make mistake. So we have two choices. Either we can hold on the anger, resentment and thoughts of revenge, or we can embrace forgiveness and move forward. That means when any other people in our life is making any kind of mistake, we have two choices. Either we can hold on to anger and we can thought of taking the revenge with them, or the second thing is we can embrace, that means we can give or grant the forgiveness and we can move forward. Nearly everyone has been hurt by the actions or the words of another person. These wounds can leave you with a lasting feeling of anger, loneliness and even vengeance. That means the people, many a times it may happen that the person with whom we are surrounding ourselves may hurt us by their actions and the words of other persons. These words can leave, the words which they say last long in our heart, and those words may bring anger and bitterness in the relation which we have with the people. But when we don't practice forgiveness, you may be the one who pays most dearly. By embracing forgiveness, you embrace peace, hope, gratitude and joy. That means when we don't practice forgiveness, that means when we don't grant forgiveness, we are the one who will pay the most. Because even by not giving forgiveness, we may hold the feeling of revenge, anger, resentment, etc. But if we forgive those people, we will get peace, hope, gratitude and joy. When you experience hurt or harm from someone's action or words, whether it is intended or not, you may begin experiencing negative feeling as anger, confusion, sadness, especially when it is from someone close to you. This feeling may start out small, but if you don't deal with them quickly, then can grow bigger and more powerful. Grudges filled with resentment, vengeance, and hostility take root when you dwell in the hurtful situation or events, replaying them in your mind many times. So when we experience, when someone who is very close to us hurt or harm us with their action or words, we start becoming negative. The negative feelings such as anger, sadness, confusion may surround us. These problems will be small in the starting, but if we don't deal with them, if we don't go through it quickly, then it may go bigger and bigger, and we will be filled with grudges. And hence, once the grudges are created, once it take root in our heart, then all those things will be continuously going on in our mind many times. When we hold on to the old grudges, bitterness, or even hatred, many areas of our life can suffer. When we are unforgiving, it is we who pays the price over and over. We may bring our anger or bitterness into every relation or new experience. Our lives may be so wrapped up in the wrong that we can't enjoy the present. So when we are holding on the old grudges, the bitterness, and even when the feeling of hatred starts living inside us, and due to this, we may be spoiling our other relations too, and this all will affect the present of our life because of our past. So never hold on to the old grudges. Always try to have a good relation with the people and always be forgiving so that we can enjoy the present. Now let's see what is forgiveness. Forgiveness, there is no definition of forgiveness. But in general, forgiveness is the decision to let go of resentments and thoughts of revenge. Forgiveness is the act of untying yourself from thoughts and feelings that bind you to the offense committed against you. So there is no particular definition of forgiveness, but in general we can say that forgiveness is the decision when we don't hold on to any old grudges or the thoughts of revenge when some other person are doing some kind of bad things with us, when they are offending us. Forgiveness is the act of untying yourself, that means releasing yourself from the uh, thoughts and feelings that bind you to commit to the offense committed against you. It is typically defined as the process of ceasing to feel resentment or anger for a perceived offense or a mistake and ceasing to demand the punishment for the restitution. So, it is typically a process through which we can release ourselves from resentment, anger of the action those who were committed against us or a mistake, and to demand and stopping themselves to demand the punishment for the things which they have done. My dear students, today we are here at the end of the video. In the very next class, we will further continue the second paragraph of what is forgiveness. So, till then, thank you and have a nice day.